Good day. I'm going to be showing you how to install Rocket Notes for Salesforce. So you've been provided a URL. You can go ahead, log into Salesforce, paste that URL. Remember, if you're installing into a sandbox first, to change the sandbox instance. So standard package installation for Salesforce, which you'll see here. It'll come up, and you're going to want to install it, again, depending on what you're doing, either for all users or a specific set of users. So I'm going to install for all users right here, and just say yes, grant access. And this is going to take a couple minutes, so we'll be back in a second. Okay, we're back. So you'll notice Rocket Notes has been installed. Under Setup, Installed Packages. So what you can do now is we're going to set up Rocket Notes. So you can navigate over here to the applications, and you're going to want to click on Rocket Notes. And once you click on that, you would have been provided a key. So you're going to take the API key and paste it in here and save it. And that's the first part of the setup. So then after you do that, what we need to do is go and adjust leads, contacts, and campaigns. And it's the same, almost the same on all of them. So let me go through here and show you leads. So let's edit the page layout, and we're going to be adding buttons and related lists. So the first thing we want to do here is go to buttons, and you'll notice send card and send personalized. So we're going to add those in a couple of places here, actually. So you'll notice I'm in Classic. So whether you're using Classic or Lightning, we just do this in every install. Go ahead and drag this button down here to wherever you want it in this Lightning experience. Whoops, the wrong ones, I'm sorry. The first buttons, you'll send card, right? And we'll put that in custom buttons and send personalized right there, and then switch this to mobile and Lightning actions, and we'll do the same thing. Send card, add it here, and send personalized, add it here. Right, and then what we want to do is pick related lists, and it should drop you down to related lists, and we want to pick Rocket Notes orders and add this right here. And then we're going to go in and adjust Rocket Notes orders. So first let's add some fields. So we need status, we need order number, and we need order number, shipping, tracking, create date. So let's remove the order junction field and move order number to the top, order created date, and the status, okay? And then click here, buttons, take off this new button, that's not necessary. Click OK, and there we go, order number, created date, and what the status is. That'll tell you whether it's shipped or delivered. So let's save this. And let's go to contacts, do the same exact thing. So let's edit the layout, buttons, send a card, send personalized, mobile and Lightning, send a card, send personalized, and then related lists. Rocket Notes orders, drag to the top. Let's set this up here. Create date, order number, status, remove the junction name, right? So whatever order you want those in, make sure you take the new button off. And go ahead and save. And then one more time on campaigns. However, there's no related lists on campaigns, so you see we're just going to add the buttons here. So edit the layout. And again, let's take care of custom buttons. Send a card and send personalized. And then mobile lightning. Send a card. Send personalized. And save. And that's it. Rocket Notes installation is complete. So now if I go to a lead, a contact, or a campaign, when I click on send card, it's going to bridge me over to Rocket Notes. And initially you have to either log in or create an account, and it'll step you through right within Rocket Notes. Any additional setup if you have to add a credit card or anything else.